Some notes to parents, fathers, relatives when you know that your child is in spectrum. This video is on some notes to fathers, relatives, and moms when you hear that your child is in spectrum. Parents in India or any part of the world who has a similar setup like in India, what you need to do when you hear for the first time that your child is in spectrum. A parent's advice. First thing, understanding your child. Find an expert therapist with good years experience in speech therapy and do a speech and language assessment and see how many months or years that the child has delay with respect to speech or language. Similarly, find a OT therapist with good years of experience in OT and do an OT assessment and find out with respect to OT how the child is in and how he is with respect to his sensory needs. Next advice is one parent can quit the job for a while and work with the child as the initial years are important. Another important thing, try to potty train the child as soon as you get to know that the child is in spectrum. It is easy to get them potty trained if you follow right steps in their early age. You will have difficulties, persistent try will definitely help. Since it is lockdown time, you can find expert therapists who do assessment online in other parts of the country. Try to get their contacts and get an assessment if you cannot find anyone in your place nearby. List down the behavior issues or any issues your child has currently and paste in a wall where you can see. And stop worrying about these issues and just take one issue at a time and try to consult an expert therapist or a parent with a good experience and work on it. Once you resolve that, then take up the next issue. What mistake we as parents are doing is we spend most of our energy and time in thinking about those issues and actually not working on needed skill set. So advice is this. Just transfer the issue in your mind to a paper, take one issue at a time and work on it. Use your energy to work on speech and OT goals for your child. If you can afford a maid, please stop spending time on the household work and completely concentrate on the child. The child needs your time to play with him, help with his communication, and understand his sensory needs, and he needs you in your happy state, not in an exhausted, stressed out state. Father or whoever is at home, please understand either keep a maid or you do part of the work. Making your child talk is more important than cooking for people at home. Try to understand the OT terminologies like what is sensory integration, what is vestibular and proprioceptive senses, what is Wilbarger brushing, what is joint compression. These are basic terms that you need to understand to know why your child is doing some of his activities. As for my knowledge, OT includes sensory integration. There are two senses in specific vestibular that tells how to position your body and head, and proprioceptive, awareness of body in space that we do with joints, muscles and ligaments. OT will work on these aspects to bring a balance. Wilbarger brushing and joint compression. OT will provide results only if you can follow a proper diet specified. So try to follow the diet specified by the OT expert and or by any parent based on their experience. If the child is stressed out doing OT at home, then just do Wilbarger brushing and joint compression without fail and just play with him. With respect to speech, first clearly understand where your child is, what age of speech and language skill he has now, and just work on it. Don't get distracted with issues that pop up now and then. If you see any new issues in child's behavior, write it in that list and start working only on the speech part. You will wonder by this way many of those issues would go away without even working on it, and you will realize how much energy and time you have put on those issues. Set up speech goals right. Interaction, communication. Any goal you set up should be somewhere used in above critical aspects of speech. Teaching them words or labels is just the first part, but helping them to use those words to interact and communicate with you should be main goal. Since we in India has options to join child in many classes, see which class is important right now for his age. For instance, child is speaking only few words or is yet to speak a word, then don't stress your child in putting him in writing or any academic related classes. You can put them but have it like once or twice a week, and if the child is completely stressed out going to these classes, then it is better to take a break from those and work on only speech part. For speech, refer a book called More Than Words if the child is below 7 years of age. Refer It Takes Two to Talk book if they are above 7. Try to get a help from a speech therapist and set up goals based on these books. These are must read when you want to guide your child towards communication and conversational skills. First thing you have to work on along with speech is helping your child in pointing, making gestures, toy play, people play. Refer video links in the description below for step-by-step procedures to teach these skills. Find a construction site near your place and try to get sand, both filtered and one mixed with rough stones. Stones, tiny stones, and keep a sack of those at home. Try to engage child in playing with those items when you could not engage them, provided they won't put it in their mouth. These are very good for their sensory needs. OT or speech. Ensure that you have proper goals to work on both from therapist end and get a follow-up activities to do at home. Revisit the goals monthly once and talk to the therapist. If you find any difficulty teaching anything to your child, you can ask your therapist to start that first and you can continue doing that at home. For example, I know for sure my child doesn't sit for books, so I had asked my therapist to start books for a few minutes during the session. And then gradually the child started looking into the books and it was easy to introduce at home. Refer video link for how to introduce book to your child in description below. For OT also, understand those OT terms and then revisit monthly the goals and see if the right OT is what it's been given. Don't show TV during first 2 years of their childhood. One of the parent try to be with the child until the child starts communicating. Don't use diapers. It's okay if they wet their dress. By that way, they don't like doing it in the dress in the early years itself. Try to take them to the classes without diapers. Make him use the bathroom before and during the class. By that way, child will know that he needs to use the restroom when he goes outside. Try to arrange some adult who can play with your child on a daily basis. That someone could be from your family or find a neighbor or a volunteer. Try to find a friend who has children at their home who can understand and help you, and try to spend some time at their home with your child so that the child gets to interact with other children. Do this alternate days if possible. Fathers, mom cannot do all of these alone in spite of her mental and physical strength. So please help her out in the points mentioned in this video. Wherever you could, mom alone cannot take up whole of this stuff. Give her a break. She is also new to all these stuffs. Both of you take care of your mental and physical health first. For older children, try to teach them cycle, bikes and train them to drive in public streets and then on roads. It is definitely possible. Parents have achieved this with their children. Try to follow safety measures. Try to put them in multiple sports, music related activities like Carnatic keyboard, vocals, etc. to make themselves engaged. A group sport is a must. By persistent practice, they can do this. Finally, don't give your ears to those people who talk or comment about your child without knowing what actually is the problem. Consider people who say those words have no intellectual ability to understand what unique neural connections your child has and how he can achieve big in his life with multiple intelligence. Thank you. Share with parents in need and subscribe.